Hey, 99% of the Amazon sellers know how to get more sales on Amazon, but almost very little or very few people actually make a lot of profits while selling on Amazon. Hey, my name is Viral and I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about business growth and strategies that will help you scale your online business. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you my honest take and honest review what it really takes for you to become successful while selling on online and on Amazon. Hey, so the first tip is to launch product with at least 35 to 40% margin before Amazon advertising. I see a lot of people trying to sell products with a very low margin, and the problem is if you don't have sufficient margin, then it's very easy. If something goes wrong, the entire investment that you've put into the products goes for a toss. Now, a lot of people also in the start, they try to make a brand. Hey, I want to get and make a kitchen brand, a clothing brand. No, that is not how you should be thinking. As a beginner, as a seller selling on Amazon, the first focus is to find any products where you can jump your hands on and make a lot of profit. Brand building, all those concepts come later on. First, you should find any product in any category and start selling products which have high margin so that you understand the science behind selling. And after you have launched multiple products, let's say in multiple categories, then you exactly know, hey, I make more money in the kitchen brand. Let me find products which are into kitchen and then I can make a brand. So don't make your brand first. First, start making profits with high margins. Check wherever the opportunity is and then start thinking about creating a brand. My second tip is going to be focus on one marketplace at a time. What you focus on expands. So this mistake a lot of people do, that they start to sell the same product multiple platforms. And the problem is if you don't even know how one platform works, how can you get maximum sales out of that one platform? So to really be successful in online selling, first understand one platform, really take the time, study, have a mentor, take programs. You just master one platform, get the maximum sales out of that platform. Once you truly have understood that one platform and its algorithm, then start hopping to other platforms. Otherwise, it is not going to work. You're going to spread yourself way thin. Another tip to be really successful while selling online is to only focus on couple of 2 or 3 very well researched products. Do not try to focus on selling many products in the start, even if, listen to me, even if you are a manufacturer or even a big trader. The idea is that if you are taking your time to find the really high profitable, high margin couple of products and you focus all your energy on that, your chances of winning the game is going to be 90% higher than somebody just trying to just dump all the products and hope to get more sales on Amazon. So focus on very few products, maybe 2 or 3 in the start, which are very well researched, and start making sales from them instead of dumping all the products together. Another tip is to not sell products which are low in prices. If you are selling products which are $299, $399, $499, $799, let me tell you, the future is going to be very dark. Because imagine if you are selling at such a low selling price, there is no entry to barrier. Anybody can come into the market. So to really be successful on Amazon, at least you should sell products which are selling at $299, $399, $499. That gives you an unfair advantage over every other small seller who's trying to enter the market. This has immensely helped me a lot because the competition has been very less and you make a lot more net profit on selling an item. Imagine you make 10% on 400 and you make 10% on 4,000. Where is more money? Another tip would be to carefully select your categories. Now, I will not tell which category you need to sell, but I will definitely tell you a couple of categories to stay away from because they are actually so competitive and are brand dominated. Do not go into the categories like health and personal care, beauty, or let's say groceries or any beverages, because the competition is so huge that a new beginner or a new seller without proper knowledge can actually go broke. So sell in categories which are very easy to deal with, and do not sell in the products which are hyper competitive. Another tip to really become successful on Amazon is to know your competitors well. So when you are selling or deciding to introduce or launch a new product, always check if your competitors are having more than 1000 plus reviews. Do not try to enter that product category, because it's very common sense that a top seller who's having such a high review have already captured the highest percentage of the market. Now with you as a new seller trying to compete with 1000 plus review seller, it's going to be so difficult, because the consumers are always going to prefer that top seller and not you. What gets measured gets improved. If you are an Amazon seller or an online seller, always know your profits. And I know the biggest pain point in this online industry is nobody knows how much profit are you making. So truly use the power of the softwares that we have. You can use so many softwares which will exactly tell you how much profits are you making. So that helps you understand, hey, am I even making profits or losses? Because trust me, there are many sellers who make huge sales but very little profit or even losses at the time. Another tip is to invest in high quality images. As an online seller, to be really successful, you need to invest in very high quality images. People do not buy the products through physical touch online, people buy through their eyes. So whatever and how you present your brand, how good of a quality of your images are, that will make them decide whether to purchase the product or not. So invest in very high quality images. In fact, I would say go with 3D rendering images that can give you an unfair advantage over the market, and they are so damn good. And the final tip I would like to give you is track your returns, because if you don't know how much returns are you getting, you will soon end up getting a lot of sales but very less profit or even losses in many cases. So always track why are you getting returns and what is the prime reason of your return, and can you fix that return. If all of these tips you have done it correctly, it's very easy to make 1 or 2 lakh rupees per month in net profit, not revenue, net profit on Amazon, if taking care of all these things. Hey, these were all the tips that I have experienced in my business. I would really like to know, what have you experienced in your business that has helped you grow your business? So comment below one tip or one thing that has really helped you grow your business massively when it comes to selling online. And if you have liked my video, consider this as subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell, so whenever I produce a new video, you are getting notified. Until then, keep selling and keep crushing. I'll wait for your comments to come in.